Regarding market in Florida, what's happening and numbers and everything, I'm going to give you my opinion what's happening right now. Rates went a little bit down. And I got so much calls regarding how much it's going to cost, how much I'm going to pay. So basically, I will tell you the truth regarding payments. If you're looking, guys, to buy with a 10, 15, 20% investment property, it doesn't make still sense. You need to have more money by adding to monthly payment, because still mortgage payment going to be higher than income if you're going to purchase a property with a 10 or 20%. Everyone waiting for market crash market. And I know a lot of speculations, and I saw a lot of colleagues which are saying market is crashing, but realistically, nothing to buy for right price. All properties went already 10, 15, 20% less. So all prices are already adjusted to 2021, 2020. And if you're looking to buy good property, you cannot touch. It always has demand. If it's overpriced property, which is a lot of agents trying to be nice to the seller, the promising stuff, which is I'm still seeing, it's like 15, 20% overpriced from last sales. This is what's happening. This is the reason of reductions, price reduction, which is you see on different websites. So realistically, if your price is right, you can sell within a month. If you're dreaming about some prices, which is a lot of people make this mistake, you're gonna stay on the market until it's gonna be adjusted with the time or with your motivation. So regarding what's happening with the investors and the market, again, I'm gonna give you my opinion regarding. So rates went like 0.5 down, and people starting to shop around. So what's gonna happen when we're gonna get 3.5 interest rates? Tons of investor will come back to the market. Because why? I'll explain why, and give me your opinion and comment if you agree with. Because banks spoiled people. They gave 4.5, 5% with the annual income without doing anything. For sure, as an investor, you don't want to work for 5%. You don't want to work for 5% to be landlord to rent property. But when bank gonna give you again for cities 1.5%, people will do what? They will put money again in the real estate to, number one, to have higher income and to save money from inflation, because inflation could be over 2%. And this is what's happened. It will happen on the market. Put comments if you agree with, because my approach, I see what's happening. A lot of investors sitting on the money without investing in real estate, because they're saying, Boris, why do I need to work? If banks give me 4.5% and your property is gonna give you the same, but in this case I need to chase the tenants, I need to be landlord, I need to fix something. And this is temporary things what's happening. So who is smart? Gonna invest money. Big companies investing in income properties. Big companies, they're still buying properties for income. Guess why? Because they know market, it will shift, demand will grow, and again prices will go up. So if you agree with this, put me comment, or if you don't agree, put me comment too, because your opinion is very important to me. And we're gonna see what's happening with the new construction. New construction, everything became more expensive. Blocks, concrete, windows, aluminum. So today to build is going to cost you around 20-25% more than it was before. All plywoods, kitchens, cabinets, guys, prices went up. And unfortunately for all custom reforma, pro forma of Trump, now we're paying more money, because you cannot find anything less expensive on the market. So it means who's trying to purchase something today as new construction, And to build a nice house, you're gonna pay more money than it was. What will lose value? Old properties, guys, which was from 70s, from 80s. This property overpriced because it's like old car, old boat. You have to invest money in renovation, otherwise it's gonna be destroyed. This is the same. People just adjusted for old construction as for a new construction. And again, this is overpriced property. All new construction, you cannot build for the same construction cost. So, my opinion, all buildings after 2015 will keep value without any depreciation, any loss of value. Old properties from 70s, 80s, which is built with old codes, with low elevations, with low ceilings, with the old windows, gonna lose value. And give me your opinion if you agree with this. And let's make personal conversation. I always like to speak about investment, construction, and we started to sell different countries. We started to sell Dubai as investment because a lot of people trying still to invest in walls, which is for sure will save money from everything what's happening around. So, guys, give me your comments and sign for my channel. I'll give you more advices, which is you can use daily as investor, as user, and we're always open to work with different budget. Today, we in Fort Lauderdale, which is very nice and attractive place. It's clean, safe, and Florida still have the best opportunities. And a lot of big rich guys moved to Miami. Why? Because they want to have nice quality life, no state tax. Florida doesn't have state tax compared to other states, and it's safe, clean, and friendly. If you agree with me, put me comment, like, and see you here. Bye, guys.